I like to do this highlights, that way it cuts, and then I can headline the important news or the news that you want to see. PTV news. All right, so oh man, this is good news though. I like this. This is a way I can bring out the latest news and PTV news. PTV news. This is a report from PTV news, guys. Hong Kong is giving away 1,000 free plane tickets to Filipinos. This is all right. Hong Kong wants to. It's a new tourism campaign. All right. They want to ramp up the tourism. So giving away 30,000 planes to given for free to Filipinos as part of its campaign to bring back tourists, set to officially begin Friday, March 3rd, today. The Airport Authority of Hong Kong's AAHK World of Winners campaign will offer 500,000 free tickets for travelers. That's half a meal around the world to visit the city and experience Hong Kong as it reopens almost 3 years since COVID-19 pandemic began. Damn. The campaign will give. Okay, so this is CNN Philippines, March 2nd. This got posted yesterday. So Hong Kong is going to give, let's recap this. 30,000 plane tickets will be given for free to Filipinos as part of the campaign to bring back the tourism. And it's officially beginning today, March the 3rd. World of Winners campaigns will offer 500,000 free tickets for travelers around the world. So it's 30,000 here for the Philippines and the rest for around the world. So you can go and visit. And this is, they're burning again. They're like to tourists and all that. Away round trip economy class tickets. Winners of free tickets can also get perks and discounts. So this is Hong Kong-based airlines such as Cathay Pacific Airways, Hong Kong Express, and Hong Kong Airlines will be participating in the campaign. 135,000 tickets will be given to Southeast Asia markets, including the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia. After the Southeast Asia markets, the campaign will continue in Northeast Asia, mainland China, and other areas. Wow, that's pretty awesome though. I mean, get a ticket for free round trip. Interest applicants for the free ticket should become a member of an airline first. This can be done by registering on an airline's website. After securing registration, the applicants can go to www.hongkongairport.com/lang/en/tickets to complete the process and answer some questions. So go to this website and register, and you can register and get your free ticket. W0W let's start all over. WOW.HONGKON. So it's hongkongairport.com/lang/en/tickets. You can Google it, it's gonna show up. Google it, get your free tickets.